is up, everyone? It's Amber here from the Stellar Guitarist, and today we are going to be learning how to play Free Bird by Lynyrd Skynyrd. Now, today's lesson is all about the rhythm guitar part. That's right, we are going to be focusing on the chords and the strumming, my two most favorite things to do on the guitar. So if this is something that you're wanting to learn, make sure your guitar is tuned and let's get into it today. So let's get right into looking at the chords that we're going to be needing for the song. For the most part of the song, we're going to be using the same chords over and over again. So the first chord we're going to need is a G major chord. We're also going to need a D major. We have E minor next. We're also going to need a C major chord. And the last chord we need is an F major chord, which you can play as a bar chord if you're able to do that. However, if you're just starting out and you're really wanting to learn to play this song, I have a few alternative chord options for you. You can either use an F major 7 chord, which is just 3 fingers. Just make sure you're strumming from the D string down. Now the chord I'm going to be using today is going to be a hybrid version of this. We're going to be barring the first finger over the B and E strings. We're going to be creating that F major bar chord shape, but without barring the entire 6 strings of the guitar. So this is almost like a cheat way of playing the F major chord, but it gives you a really beautiful full sounding F chord. So the chords we have in the verse are G major for 1 bar. We're then going to go to D for 1 bar. And we have E minor for 2 bars. The next line of chords, we have an F major to a C, and then to our D major for 2 bars. So let's try playing through the verse using just 1 strum to get into the swing of the song. Starting on the G. Here we go. And G. If I leave here tomorrow, to our F major, would you still remember me? To our D chord. And we repeat it again. G. For I must D chord to E minor. E minor again, and to the F, because there is a C chord, and to the D, and repeat the D. So of course you can get away with playing the whole song using just that 1 down strum, but we are going to look at a strumming pattern coming up next, so make sure you have those chords under your fingers before we look at the strumming pattern used in the song. So the strumming pattern used for the most part of the song is pretty straightforward. It sounds like this. Down, 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 up. We're going to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So let's go through each chord that we have up on the screen. The G major chord is going to get 1 round of the pattern. Down, 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 up. We change to the D and we repeat. Down, 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 up. We then play the first E minor with the same pattern. Down, 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 up. Now that second E minor is going to get a slightly different pattern, which sounds like this. Up, down, down, up, down, up. Up, down, down, up, down, up. Now it's much easier to put that strumming pattern into the whole pattern because it is a bit syncopated and standing by itself can be a little bit confusing. So let's listen to the whole chord sequence. Starting on the G. And if I say the ups and downs, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. So really spend some time here practicing that chord sequence with the strumming pattern. Let's do it one more time. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, And another little tip here is when you're changing from that G chord to the D and from the D to the E minor, use that final up strum as a place to change. You're wanting to use that up strum as a transition. So if we watch carefully, we have down, 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 up. I'm actually just strumming open strings there, but it's happening so quickly you're not really hearing those open strings. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So lots of little nuances here that we can add to that strumming pattern. Something else we can do is to accent beats 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. When it comes to songs that have the same chords repeated throughout, it's really important to find ways to make the song sound interesting. Otherwise it can get a little bit boring. So by adding in these little things can really help make it more enjoyable for you to play the song, as well as for the listener to also enjoy the music. So the second line of chords we have are the F major chord to our C, and then we have D for 2 bars. Now the same thing is going to apply here from the first line of chords. So the F is going to get the pattern down, 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 up. C will get the same, down, 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 up. And then our D major, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. So it's the same strumming pattern with different chords. So let's try that again from the F, 2, 3, 4. So let's go ahead and put that entire chord sequence together, starting from the G major. 1, 2, 3, and G. If I D, E minor. F, would you C chord, and the D. Back to the G, I must D chord to the E minor, and F to the C, and to the D. So if you enjoy learning with me here on YouTube, please take a minute now to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. You're also welcome to leave a comment down below. I really love reading every single one. Your support really helps me continue to create lessons here on my channel. So all your love and support is really appreciated. Right, let's get back into the lesson today. So the next section we're going to look at today is the chorus. Now the chorus is really straightforward, and it's actually a chord sequence we have already learned. So the chorus is going to be our F major to our C chord and to our D major for 2 bars. And we're going to use the exact same strumming pattern. So we're going to have down, 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 up, C, and the D. And to the C chord, and to the D. And F. Lord knows I can D. One more time. And F. And the final section that we're going to look at today is sort of an outro slash solo section. So we're definitely not going to be looking at that solo. That is definitely not something that I'm comfortable teaching here on my channel. This is a beginner-friendly strumming and singing type of channel. But I'm sure if you go and look that up somewhere else, if you're wanting to get into that electric guitar solo, I'm sure there are lots of videos online that will be able to teach you that. But today we are going to look at the rhythm section for that solo section part. So we have 3 power chords that we're going to be looking at today. So a power chord uses just 2 or 3 strings, and it's usually our 3 bass strings, our lower sounding strings. It'll be our E, our A, and our D string. So the power chords we need are G5, and so we're going to be placing our first finger into the 3rd fret, and our 3rd and 4th fingers can go into the 5th fret. And we're just going to be playing those 3 strings. So this is our G power chord. The next power chord we need is a B flat 5. And for this, we're going to take this exact shape and we're going to slide it up to the 6th fret. So this is our B flat 5. So we have G up to the B flat, and then the final chord we need is a C power chord. And we're going to take this shape and we're going to slide it up to the 8th fret. So we have G, we have B flat, and we have C, and we repeat the C again, back to G, and B flat, and the C, and repeat the C. Now of course you can play the solo section just like that, holding each chord for 4 counts. But if you feel brave and you want to incorporate a strumming pattern, we can use down, 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 up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up, which we count 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. And make sure you're really just focusing on hitting those lower strings when you're doing the pattern. Back to G, and B flat, and C. Oh, I can change. Won't you fly high, free bird? Yeah, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So those are the main sections for Freebird by Lynyrd Skynyrd. If you are feeling ready and excited to join me for a play along, that's coming up next. So have your guitar ready and I'll see you for the play along. Get ready. A 1, 2, 3, 4. If I leave here tomorrow, will you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I got to see. If I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Whoa, 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 whoa. This bird you cannot change, and this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can change. Bye bye baby, it's been a sweet love, though this feeling I can change. But please don't take it so badly, 'cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. But if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, Stellar Guitarists, that is how you play Freebird on the guitar. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I cannot wait to see you in the next lesson. Until then, have a great day. Bye.